down.
Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Very excited. Tēnā koe Maia. Kia ora koutou. Yeah, very excited about the finals that we've got coming up. And in their previous encounter, Ngati Hine obviously came away 5-3 victors as well. So it'll be a very close and very entertaining game. As they get first shot and they cross over on the first set of the game, that's exactly how you want to start the final. Terry Crummer goes over for Ngati Hine and it's 1-0 early, Maia. Because Siobhan McIntyre is dangerous on a low game.
Watched his uncle do that a million times.
Now off the left, there's Crummer again. Oh, geez, I tell you what, he started this game with an absolute hiss and a roar. Terry Crummer, although he's left his teammate hanging. But a great try there from Ngati Hine. Crummer has set it up. Found the extra man out on the right-hand side. That was Kobe Edwards and Ngati Hine. They've started this game strong, Maia.
Yeah, we see it unfold in front of us just off. There's less gas into the dead ball zone. And you would have thought Tauranga Moana were a man short. These two teams, connections on both sides. Tauranga Moana now, what can they do, Tiv, with this fresh set? Cookie goes on the outside, beats the defender.
That's exactly how you regain your footing in this match. They came out, got the quickie on McIntyre, stepped back, dived down the lane. What are you crossing over there for Tauranga Moana?
The game plan's obvious, right? Control the ball, get to the other end, and you'll get opportunities. If you don't, you give this dangerous Ngati Hine team.
Out off a 32 long. And then as soon as he got the ball here, as we see on the replay, they ripped the ball out. He was on the outside of the defender. That opened up the hole through the middles.
Plenty of time to go. They've had a few errors and they're only two behind. We see a left to right, out long. Oh, great body manipulation. Not only the first time to miss the winger, but he also missed the shutting link.
It was a great read defensively from Ngati Hine. They got up high and positive. Clark made the touch, 33 peel. Came back to play the 4-on-3, and just what a finish there.
3-2, that's all that matters. Fake the back door, going back to this left-hand side. Fleet feet.
They've got him on a second phase too. Crummer, as he picked him offside, he's used his feet for their second.
And throw passes, dive, fast, step off both feet, but it's just understanding that the defense was offside, taking advantage of that. And like you said, made that the easiest try the Ngati Hine winger would score.
Referee puts his whistle to his mouth and puts it back. Let's play continue. Now Tauranga Moana looking to run that second man play. A beautiful try, Tauranga Moana.
Lucky I was on defence. He dummied me and I'm in the comm box and I could see it through the TV screen. I thought he was going to go to the back player, but he didn't. Great line from number 15.
It was either a passive or a sort of front door, back door. And then the Ngati Hine defender just left clutching at straws, but now they're back on attack through Hendricks. Tusa, and he gets one back from Ngati Hine, just making Tauranga Moana slip over in defence.
Yeah, you'd think with 12 minutes to go, 8 touchdowns, that there's no defence out here. It's the quality of the attack, isn't it? Conditions, solid, not that slippery as it has been, even though we've seen someone slip over. But
and just like that, in the blink of an eye, there's only 2.5 minutes left in this half. Getting a sweep coming around Tauranga Moana. It was a very crowded lane, but he's managed to dive over there. He got the arm outstretched. Fantastic try there for Tauranga Moana.
Threading the eye of the needle. Just sit back and watch this precision put down.
And now just as easily, they're approaching the attacking half of the field. Clark out of dummy half. Tusa's shaking his mirror. Was that ball to ground? Was it touch? Was it ball down? The referees agree. Ngati Hine, Piro.
Originally, I thought the ref was saying it was a touch. Seen him putting one hand on top of the other. Maybe the defending player said he didn't make the touch. We see it here. Gets in behind.
Down on their try line. But we'll see if they can convert here. Beautiful play. There's the slam dunk that we've been waiting for in the 17 boys grade.
It talks about withstanding all the pressure that Ngati Hine have put on them. It's a little follow play.
Edge for Ngati Hine. Tauranga Moana's left. Now the ball goes to Clark. He'll scoop out a half. Makaiti.
The quality and speed of the Ngati Hine attacking player gets there just before him. Excellent put down. So for those of you wondering what just happened there, if any team 3 consecutive penalties on the scoreline as Tauranga Moana look to take advantage of this 5 v6. Ngati Hine down to 5. Oh, does he get on the
Opened them up.
outside? Draw and pass. That's the reason why you don't want to get down to 5 on 6.
It's a 1, and now Ngati Hine back to their full complement of 6 players. Looking to return serve, Clark and Webster Poland, that combination once more.
As we see Ngati Hine just go straight down Main Street, get the Tauranga Moana defence on the back foot, and then we just see the quality of this move. Quickie into a follow, acres of space.
And then be able to go back down the other end and score again. But time is not their friend at the moment. Looking in the middle, Kingi. They've gone away from Kingi and throw the short ball. That's going to do it for them. They've given themselves the best chance to have Tauranga Moana.
Ngati Hine will be in no hurry as we see the replay, which gets Tauranga Moana back within 1. Sets things back up in the middle, gets the defence moving the other way.
A brilliantly fought one. It was tit for tat, but then as soon as Ngati Hine got that 2-try lead, that 2-try buffer, Tauranga Moana just finding it difficult to peg the one that they needed back, and Ngati Hine are the champions of our under-17 boys grade.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Whānau and you know.